All right, devlog 4 for Halloween horrors. So I had said in the last one that I needed to start working on creating the actual like game scene, so that's what I've done. I made a mesh library from some of these K-Kit assets from the Halloween bits. It's not everything that is provided, but I just wanted to get started. So I have a little bit of decoration items and then just some kind of base items. And then even then, I still just kind of gave a generic floor. I might fill this in later, but the way the grid map was working, these didn't match up perfectly. So so I just decided to use kind of like a brown floor, and I'll kind of texture it later maybe. But right now, I just want to get things working and moving. So um, so I've got my player, and I've got this witch character that's going to be the witch who gives you your assignment. Just a little bit of humor, some decoration. So basically all we're gonna do here, I still haven't added this yet either, but I'm gonna add a guy over here using Brutus's axe to chop some of these dead trees. So he's gonna hold the axe. Brutus's helmet, which is actually this like cap, that's gonna be right there. So that'll be kind of a thing for the player to find. So the player's going to go intended thing is going to be the player goes and talks to the witch. She tells him that he needs his axe and his cap. So he'll come down here, find this guy chopping wood, get his axe, come down here and get the cap. I might make it so that you can't collect that until you've talked to the witch. We'll see. And then he's going to set out on his quest by going through this door and going out into the field. So the other thing I've done is I wanted to give like a little bit of a tip or a hint on how to use different items. So I just did this. It's not too fancy or anything, but it's got like the Xbox style buttons and kind of what they do. And you'll see that the blue button is missing. And then we've got the D-pad. This is going to show like which items can be switched to based on the item press. So I implemented that in our playground scene. Let me run that really quick. So if I go full screen here, if I go find the axe, if you watch the right arrow on the D-pad, I hit OK, and I get the axe. Then I come up here and go to playground left. This is where the mug is. Now watch the blue icon on the right. When I find this, the mug appears. So now I know, oh, if I hit that button, I can drink from the mug. Pretty cool. Now when I get a second item that I can hold in my right hand, if I push that right button, it'll switch and the icon will switch. But as of right now, I haven't implemented that yet. So that's what's been going on so far. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.